Hello everyone, welcome to another maths video lesson. This is Teacher Marge and today we'll discuss about reciprocal. What do we mean by reciprocal? How do we get the reciprocal of a number? And why do we need to know how to get the reciprocal of a number? So pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito kung ano, paano, at bakit ang mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa reciprocal. Okay, so let's start. First, what do we mean by reciprocal? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng reciprocal? Well, sa math, merong mga tinatawag na mga properties. At isa sa mga properties ay yung tinatawag na multiplicative inverse property. Multiplicative inverse property. Okay? It's a property for fraction multiplication that says for every non-zero fraction. Okay? Non-zero fraction. Ibig sabihin ng non-zero, hindi zero. Okay? Sa bawat non-zero fraction. Ma'am, paano po namin malalaman kung non-zero yung fraction? Una, ang titignan ninyo yung numerator. Okay, yung numerator ang titingnan ninyo. Dapat yung numerator can be any number except 0. Okay? So, kahit na anong number, basta hindi siya 0, it's a non-zero fraction. Okay? So, yan tip number 1. Para sure kayo na non-zero fraction, dapat yung numerator natin represented by A should never be 0. Okay? So, lagay natin yan. A is not equal to 0. Yan ang usapan natin pag non-zero. So, eto na. Pag sinabi sa multiplicative inverse property for fraction multiplication, for every non-zero fraction, A over B, there exists a unique number which is B over A, such that when you multiply these two numbers together, you'll come up with the product of 1. Okay? So, sa bawat non-zero fraction, A over B, meron nag-i-exist na kapartner niya sa buhay. Charot. Okay? May nag-i-exist na isang number na B over A na kapag minultiply mo silang dalawa, ang lalabas lagi ay 1. In that case, B over A is what we call the multiplicative inverse of A over B, or what we call, in short, the reciprocal of A over B. Okay? Yan yon. So, B over A is the reciprocal of A over B. Yung given fraction natin kanina. Okay? So, multiplicative inverse, reciprocal, they mean the same thing. Pareho lang sila. Now, paano kinukuha ang reciprocal ng isang number? Or paano kinukuha ang reciprocal ng isang non-zero fraction? Okay? So, dito lang ang tingin ninyo. Kung titingnan natin ito, statement na yan, A over B times B over A equals 1, and B over A is the reciprocal. Tingnan ninyo, malalaman ninyo kung paano kinukuha yung reciprocal ng isang number. Okay, you try to observe. Makahalata. Okay, makahalata. Kasi ang math, tungkol lang lahat yan sa mga patterns. Dapat matuto kayong, masanay ninyo yung sarili ninyong makahalata ng mga patterns. Okay? So, meron tayong A over B. Ang reciprocal niya ay B over A. So, paano kinukuha ang reciprocal? Paano? So, nakita nyo, di ba? Yung A natin na numerator, napunta sa baba. While yung B na denominator natin, napunta naman sa taas. Okay? So, ganun lang yung nangyari. Oh, ma'am, ibig sabihin pala yung reciprocal, babalik na rin lang yung pwesto nila. Okay? So, hindi yung pwesto ang binabaliktad, ha? Yung numerator, nasa taas pa rin yan. Yung denominator, pwesto pa rin yan sa baba. Ano lang ang pinabaliktad ninyo kung gagamitin niyo yung salitang baliktad. Yung yung numero. Okay? Yung numero na nasa taas, ibababa natin sa denominator, tapos yung numero na nasa denominator, inaakyat naman natin sa numerator. Okay? So, yun. Hindi yung pwesto ang binabaliktad, kung hindi yung number na nakalagay doon sa mga pwestong yon ang pinagpapalit natin ng pwesto. Okay? Ang pinagpapalit natin ng lugar. So, let's have some numbers to work on with regards to getting the reciprocal of a number. Suppose I have here some non-zero fraction or non-zero numbers. And then, on the other side, we'll have the reciprocal of that number. Okay? So, suppose I have 2/3. 2/3. What is now the reciprocal of 2/3? So, kung aalalahanin natin yung itsura nun, nag-twist yung mga arrow natin. Okay? So, yung numerator 2 natin, okay? So, let's prepare muna yung bar line natin. Mulat ng aking mga marker. Ayun. Okay? Yung numerator natin na 2, ibababa natin sa pwesto ng denominator. Oops, sorry. Okay? So, magiging denominator 2 siya. And then, yung denominator 3 will go up to be the numerator. Okay? So, yan. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 2/3? Ang reciprocal ng 2/3 ay 3/2. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yun. Another one. Let's have 5/4. Okay? 5/4 is an improper fraction. Okay? Anyway, sa reciprocal, hindi tayo pwede, ang tawag nito, hindi natin kailangan masyadong marattle kung yan ay proper or improper. So long as you can identify which is the numerator and which is the denominator. Okay? So let's have the numerator first. Going down. So we'll have that below our fraction bar, 5. And then our denominator 4 will go up above the fraction bar. So magiging numerator 4 siya. So ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 5/4? Ang reciprocal ng 5/4 ay 4/5. So madali lang. Walang problema masyado kapag proper fraction at saka improper fraction ang meron kayo. Basta inililipat nyo lang ng pwesto yung numbers na nasa numerator at denominator. Paano kung halimbawa whole number na yan? Okay? So, what are we going to do? If we are given a whole number. So, let's have a whole number 8. Isip. Whole number 8. Ano ang magiging tanong ninyo dyan? Ma'am, wala po siyang denominator. O kaya ma'am, paano po yun? Ano yung 8? Numerator ba siya o denominator? Okay? So, eto yan. Lagi niyong tatandaan, ang whole number, laging merong denominator na 1. Okay? Lahat ng whole number, ang denominator ay 1. So, if we are given this number, this particular number, 8, a whole number, to get the reciprocal, palilitawin lang natin yung kanyang denominator na 1. Okay? So, we'll rename 8 as 8/1. Okay? So, meron na siyang numerator, in this case, it's 8, and meron na rin siyang denominator, which is 1. O, wala tayong inaano dyan, bina-violate. Kasi lahat ng whole number, ang denominator ay 1. So since meron na tayong numerator at saka denominator, we can now get the reciprocal of the given number 8. Okay? So change places lang sila. 8 sa numerator will become a denominator. So it is below the fraction bar. And then, yung denominator 1 natin will go up to become our numerator. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 8? Ang reciprocal ng 8 is 1 over 8. Let's have another one. Suppose we have 15. 15 is a whole number. Therefore, the denominator is 1. So, 15 can be expressed as 15 over 1. Okay? 15 over 1. So, since meron na tayong denominator at saka numerator, we can now switch these numbers. Yung mga places, ililipat natin sila ng lugar. Okay? So, we'll have the fraction bar. And then, our numerator 15 goes down, becomes the denominator, 15. And then, our denominator, 1, will become a numerator. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng whole number 15? It's 1 over 15. Okay, pause muna tayo. Let's observe. Diba? Kanina, yung una natin, nagpalit lang ng pwesto. Yung nasa taas, pumunta sa baba. Yung nasa baba, pumunta sa taas. Now, for whole numbers, lahat ng whole number ay may denominator na 1. Now, you try to observe. Between the non-zero fraction and the reciprocal of these two numbers, yung 8 and 15, anong mahahalata ninyo? Okay, ang numerator nila parehong 1. Okay, so madali na. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagre-reciprocate kayo ng whole number, yung numerator ninyo ay laging 1 at ang denominator ninyo yung whole number. Okay, so ganun yan. That's how simple getting the reciprocal of a whole number is. Let's have mixed numbers naman. Okay? Suppose we have 2 and 1/3. Okay? 2 and 1/3 is a mixed number with whole number 2 and a proper fraction 1/3. So, what is the reciprocal of 2 and 1/3? Ma'am, paano yun? Yung 1/3 lang ang i-reciprocate namin, ang kukunin namin ng reciprocal? Hindi. Hindi pwede. Kasi 2 and 1/3 is a number and you need to get them entirely. Kukunin ninyo siya ng buo. Hindi nyo pwedeng iwan yung 2, kunin nyo yung 1/3, or kaya kunin ninyo yung isa, iwan nyo, hindi pwede yon, bawal yon. Okay, so walang iwanan. Since 2 and 1/3 ay isang number, kailangan kunin niyo yung reciprocal ng mismong 2 and 1/3. Hindi yung reciprocal ni 2, reciprocal ni 1/3, tapos pagsasamahin. Bawal yon, hindi pwedeng ganon. So, paano ang gagawin natin to get the reciprocal of 2 and 1/3? Okay, para makuha natin ang reciprocal ng 2 and 1/3, which is a mixed number, you need to rename it first as an improper fraction. So, dapat improper fraction muna si 2 and 1/3 bago ninyo makuha yung kanyang reciprocal. Okay? So, let's do this. To rename 2 and 1/3 into an improper fraction, yun yung paikot tayo. Okay? Multiply muna tayo ng denominator at whole and then we add the numerator. Okay? So, ganyan yan. So, we'll have 3 times 2, that's 6, plus 1 is 7. Yung numerator natin, 7. over 3. Okay? So 7 over 3. So 2 and 1/3 is the same as 7 over 3. Okay, yan. Ma'am, wala na po tayong whole number. So, kasi hindi naman nawala yung whole number. In-incorporate na natin siya doon sa iisang itsura niya. So, it's an improper fraction already. And it's an equivalent of 2 and 1/3. So, pwede na natin kunin yung kanyang reciprocal. Yung numerator, bababa. Yung denominator, aakyat. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, 7 goes down the bar line, below the bar line, rather. So, that's denominator 7. And then 3 becomes numerator. Okay? So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 2 and 1/3? Ang reciprocal ng 2 and 1/3 is 3 over 7. Okay? Let's have another one. Suppose we have 5. Okay. Suppose we have 5 and 1/2. Okay? So 5 and 1/2, again, is a mixed number. So what do we do? Anong gagawin natin? Kailangan nating i-rename yung 5 and 1/2 into an improper fraction. So to do so, we need to multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add whatever comes out of that, the numerator. We add the numerator. Okay, so let's do this. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2. Okay, di tayo nagbago ng denominator. It's 11 over 2. Now, since 11 over 2, distinguishable na yung numerator and denominator, let's get the reciprocal. The numerator 11 goes down. It becomes the denominator. And then denominator 2 goes up and becomes numerator. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 5 and 1/2 na isang mixed number? Ang reciprocal niya ay 2 over 11. Okay? So, that's how you get reciprocal of a number. You get the reciprocal of a number. Okay? Kung improper yan, o kaya proper fraction, yung numerator, dadalhin ninyo, gagawin yung denominator. Yung denominator, iaakyat ninyo, gagawin ninyong numerator. Kapag whole number, lalagyan nyo siya ng denominator ng 1, and then you do the same thing. Yung nasa taas, ibababa. Yung nasa baba, iaakyat sa taas. Okay? And for mixed numbers, para sa mixed numbers, you need to rename them into improper fraction. And then, ayun uli ang proseso natin. Yung nasa taas, lalagay natin sa denominator at yung nasa baba, iaakyat natin magiging numerator. So, that's how you get the reciprocal of a number. Okay. Ma'am, bakit po kasi kailangan pa namin kunin yung reciprocal of a number? Well, for some reasons, makakatulong kasi sa inyo yung reciprocal ng isang number for so many times. Lalo na kung kayo ay mag-divide, okay, ng fractions. Okay? Actually, the skill that you will have, yung skill regarding getting the reciprocal of a number, is a very important skill in dividing fractions. Hindi naman sa hindi kayo makakapag-divide ng fractions kung hindi ninyo alam ang reciprocal ng isang number. Yun nga lang kasi mas madaling mag-divide ng fractions kung gagamitin natin yung reciprocal. Okay? So sa math kasi, yung mga maliliit na bagay na ito, importante yan kasi lagi ninyo yung ginagamit. Usually as preliminaries, or pag gagamitin ninyo yan para you make your computations more flexible, more convenient, and at the same time, more efficient. So, mas mapapadali yung pagpo-compute. So, I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you do so. And don't hesitate to comment. watch out for some videos that I will be working on. Okay. I will try to make some videos for higher mathematics. Okay? Pang high school. Tatry ko yan. So, that's all for now. God bless and keep safe, everyone. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.